guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a power hour video. So I am just going to be cleaning as much as I can for 1 hour and hopefully I get my whole list done. I made a list out, so I'm thinking I can get it all done within an hour, just depending on how Presley is, which we all know that sometimes she wants to either help or she needs snacks or whatever. So I don't think, we'll see if I can get everything done within an hour. But I'm really excited about doing this one today because I'm going to be in collaboration with Wendi Marie. If you don't know who she is, make sure you go and check out her channel. I will leave the links in the description box below. So when you are done watching this video, make sure you go and check her out. She does a lot of haul videos. She does a couple DIYs on her channel, and she does a ton of cleaning videos. So if you like cleaning motivation, make sure you go and check her out. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna show you the list I got going, and we are just gonna get cleaning. Okay, so here's my list. So I wanna dust, mop, and sweep, clean the sink and the counter, take care of the dishes, clean the table and chair, feed our animals outside. We have goats and ducks. And then I want to vacuum the stairs and wash the windows. And these two, I don't know if I'll get to, but I'm just going to start from the top and work my way down. So I forgot to show the clock, but just bear with me, you guys. I actually did this for an hour, maybe a little bit over, just because, well, you'll see at the end. But anyways, I'm just going to start off in the living room, and I'm just going to dust the TV stand. I always do this first when I'm in the living room, and then I just go on to dust everything else that needs to be done. This was just something quick, so I didn't necessarily have to dust everything in here, but I just got done what I needed to get done. And you are definitely going to see Presley popping in and out of this video. She always likes helping me clean, and if she doesn't, I'm not lying, you guys, she throws a fit. And we always keep this little table in here for the kids. We just have this so they can sit and eat snacks or color on, or we even do Play-Doh in here sometimes. But we always just leave this here. I know it's kind of like in the way of everything, but it really works, so it's not going to be moved. And then now I'm just going to dust this little chest we have. This gets so gross because our cat kind of sits on it all the time, so it gets so hairy and just, it's disgusting. But I clean this almost like twice or 3 times a week just because it's that bad. And then now I'm just going to mop and sweep the floors in the living room. I just want to get this whole room finished. Usually I try to dust everything and then I just go back and mop everything, but I didn't know how much I was going to get done, but I at least wanted a whole entire room done. And I am just using the Bissell Crosswave. I have done plenty of reviews on this, but I think I'm going to do at least one more because I've had this for about a year now, and I have so many questions about this. So let me know if you guys want me to do another review on this and talk about it and how it works and what I use it for, and if you guys have any questions, because like I said, I probably still get like 10 questions a day on this in my older videos.
To keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together, not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together, been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been so baby, put the record on, baby, put the record on, hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on, I'm not gonna need that song, hit it.
And this right here is the reason why I try to be pretty minimal on decorations except fall, because I have to take everything down to dust this, and then I have to dust everything that is on here. So this takes forever, it seems like. So when Christmas rolls around, it's not this cluttered at all. It's really minimal, but this is my favorite part of my house right now because I love fall and I love everything that is fall decor, and I'm just seriously obsessed with this area. And then this chest I have to do all the time as well because we get so many fingerprints and stuff. And then this was in the morning, so we always color or do something in the morning or even at night. So we always have just a full cluttered table every single morning, and then I just clean it off throughout the day usually. But since we're doing a power hour, you guys, I'm just gonna take care of it right now.
Swept away all the fun of yesterdays, but I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then gonna get this party lit. Come, come, come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come, come, come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come, come, come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
Pushing the past again, oh. You know my little triggers keep on triggering them all. I've had enough of this, oh. Our timeline's getting worn out when we're going back and forth. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know.
And then the last room I'm going to do is the kitchen, which is so funny because I usually do this room first, but this was like unbearably messy and I just did not feel like doing this. And sometimes I just clean the kitchen during the day anyway, so it's never that messy, at least not in the afternoon or the evening. It's always super spotless. But I just did not want to take care of dishes. I don't know what it is about dishes, but I dread taking care of the dishes more than anything.
Why can't we face it? Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. It never was like this before. We've been wearing out our loving like a pair of favorite jeans. Was getting harder to ignore, yeah. Kept on stitching up the patches. You know we're only pretending, we're only weak and lonely, and I think we both know it. Why can't we face it?
And then now I'm just going to wipe all of my counters down since everything is cleaned up, and I'm just using, I think it's called Pure Garden, but it's like the springtime scent by Method, and I love this stuff, and I will use it, like I said, till it's gone. Like, I'm not a big person on like buying like all this scented like fall and spring and Christmas like scents and stuff. Like, I've done that and I do not like Mrs. Meyer. I know they have like a ton of stuff, but I feel like it leaves my countertop so filmy and gross. Like, I do not like it at all. But so this always works, and I don't care what the smell is because I bought it, so I'm going to use it till it's gone. And here is Presley, and she has to help me wipe the counters down or wipe the table down or wipe the chairs down. She always has to help do something, and like she absolutely loves doing this for some reason. I don't know why, but it is so hard getting this rag and spray away from her. It is just insane.
Keep on paper chasing all these made up reasons. You're the only one for me. My heart is wasted. Keep on paper chasing, acting pretty small when we are growing out of love. Growing out of love. Growing out of love.
And then the last thing we did in the morning, I really like doing this in the morning or the afternoon before she takes a nap, just so I can get the animals all fed and watered and taken care of, so then I don't have to worry about it when Scarlett gets out of school. But we just do this every morning too, or afternoon, like I said. And at the end, Presley ends up spraying me with our water hose. So that is how my power hour ended. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you so much for watching. And make sure that when you're done watching, you go and check out Wendi Marie. Like I said, I will leave her link in the description box below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Hello, how'd you do? I'm not broken, I'm just split in two. Hope you're fine, ain't got time to do everything you said you would. Frames of the past and the memory of you just come running by. Pictures of sunny days with your smile in the past.